Hi team at Heartland Plumbing. My name is Parker and I work for YEG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in the Edmonton area. And after speaking on the phone with Jackson yesterday, I thought I would shoot you over this quick video going over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video, if you would like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to jump on a phone call with one of you guys. And if not, then you can just take these tips I'm giving you and try and put them into action for your business today. Now let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to be going over are content, citations, and backlinks. And first thing is going to be content, and that's basically anything you can see on your home page, including pictures, what pictures are saved as, and what is behind pictures as well. So for example, if you were to go over every photo in your gallery on your website, you can save every single one of those individual images as different keywords and phrases that people are constantly looking for and searching for on Google when they're looking for your types of services. So that's one part of content. The other part would be the actual words itself. So if I keep on looking through your website here, it does look pretty good already. However, we like to aim for at least 1,500 words of content on a homepage alone, because that way it really helps you guys with getting optimized by Google and with throwing in many more keywords and phrases that I am talking about. Because once you get those keywords up, you start ranking a lot higher on Google and it is way easier to be seen by people looking for your services. Now, the second thing I want to go over are citations. And if I go over to Google here, you can see all I did was search up Sherwood Park plumbing services. And quickly before citations, you can look at these Google ads here. And these Google guaranteed ads with the green check mark, all of those companies actually went through a verification process with Google to get them Google guaranteed. And if you guys were ever interested in doing advertisements, I would definitely recommend going through that same process, because these Google guaranteed ads seem to bring in a lot better traffic than the traditional ads that you'd see down here on Google. So that's it for advertisements. Now, back to citations here. Those will take place more down in the map section of Google here. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the internet. And if you guys are wondering what a directory is or how can you get put into one, well, simply put it, all a directory is a website out there that allows businesses to enter their business information and services. So a few examples of those would be Yellow Pages or Yelp or LinkedIn, or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And all that's going to do for you guys is give you another avenue for people to reach you and find you on Google. Now, a good technique that we like to use is to go and see all your competitors and the citations and directories they are using, because there's a good chance if they are already working for them, then those directories will also work for you guys. Now, you don't want to just go out and get what your competition would have. However, you want to go out and get even more than them, so that way you can eventually outrank them on Google and find yourself on the map section here. Now, the third thing I want to go over are backlinks, and that'll be more down here in the organic part of a Google search. And all a backlink is a website that is linking back to you guys, saying that you offer plumbing and heating types of services. And that's just going to bring more relevance to you guys and rank you for more keywords when people are searching. So a tool that we like to use called Ahrefs here, we can actually see the amount of referring domains and backlinks and traffic a website would be bringing in monthly. So I have you guys loaded in here already, and you can see you have 24 referring domains giving you 82 backlinks and 11 organic clicks of Google on that organic part of Google that I was showing you just before this. And if we were to compare with one of your competitors, you can see here they would have 199 referring domains, giving them 1.5 thousand backlinks, and they're bringing in 2.7 thousand organic clicks of traffic every single month to their website. So you can see how much business and how many more leads you can be bringing in just based off where you actually rank on Google. And that's just because a lot more people are obviously going to see you guys if you are ranking higher on Google. And they tend to click on those websites that are ranking pretty high on Google. So with your competitor here, if I look at the referring domains, I can actually see all the different websites that are currently linking back to them, giving them the authority and relevance that they have in the marketplace and on Google right now. And like with citations, if there's most of these websites that are working for them already, they are also going to be able to work for you guys. So you can go and grab most of those backlinks and use them for yourself as well. And you don't want to just get the same amount of backlinks as they would have. You want to go out and get way more than them as well, because that is going to help you rank a lot higher than them on the organic part of a Google search. Now, I really hope that this video has been informative for you guys. Our main goal is to first add value and actually help your business out. That is why I'm making this video with these tips for you guys today. So all of my information is going to be right here. If you would like to discuss further on how our team can help you guys grow your business online, then please reach out to us and I'd be happy to jump on a phone call with you. If not, then you guys could take these tips and try and put them into action for yourself today. I do really wish you guys the best of luck in the future with your business, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Take care.